Ceiling fans are elegant and durable. When my ceiling fan failed after 35 years of service, the motor control chain came off the switch. Only the light bulbs worked normally. This happened on the hottest days of the year, at the time when there was no money available for any extra expense. So, I was not very enthusiastic about going out in the sun looking for a replacement ratchet-type switch for my 3-speed fan. A faster and costless solution was required, even if it was provisional. The lights in my fan were fed through a wall switch, in series with the normal chain fan switch. So the switch was not really required. On the other hand, the fan was always used in the high speed, so I could change the lights on and off switch, and I could relocate it so it would turn the motor on and off using only the high-speed connection, in this case the black and yellow wires. Before proceeding to open the motor junction box, I found it convenient to remove the bulbs and glass tulips to reduce the weight, since it had to be hanging by the cables. Please note that there are two junction boxes, one for the motor wiring and one for the lights wiring. They are marked with the letters D and F respectively in this illustration. In case you don't have a chain switch at hand, you can try to find a couple of hospital bed switches of the type used to turn the room light on and off from the bed. They can be replaced on the ends of cables connected to where the chain switches should be. In less than half an hour, my fan was running again. If you are under similar circumstances, this story may be useful.